chapter of quadratic equations with solutions. I am going to solve some problems which are very important questions. Comes same type of questions comes in your board exam. This is the chapter of class 10 CBSE exam. CBSE class 10th maths and quadratic equation chapter. Okay, some solved questions I am going to solve here. The roots of first question is, what is roots of the quadratic equation 5x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0? Or options are given, that is real and equal, real and unequal, not real, non-real and equal. So how to solve this problem within seconds? Okay, to find out what is the option correct, we have to first what this is the nature of the roots. Option is first we have to see what are the options given. So here real and equal, these are the nature of the quadratic equation. So how to solve this? Given equation is 5x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. First we have to take it as a quadratic equation. If it is not given, we have to convert the equation in a quadratic equation. Okay, to find the nature, what we have to calculate, children? To find the nature, find the nature of the roots, let us calculate b square minus 4ac. So in this, what is a is it is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Then a equal to a equal to what? 5 here. From comparing this equation with quadratic equation, we get b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 5 here. Okay, now we have to calculate the nature. Then b square means minus 4 whole square minus 4. Substitute these values in this formula. 4 into a means 5 here, c means 5 here. Now simplify this. 4 and minus square plus it becomes, and 4 means 16. 4 5s are 20. 20 into 5 means 100. Then 16 minus 100 means big value is minus sign, so take as minus sign. 100 minus 16 is 84. So 84 is less than 0 and this is the negative value. Okay, it is real, not a real. So therefore not real. So in options we have this option C, real and equal, no, sorry, real and unequal, not real. Okay, this is non-real and equal. This is also not an our option. So not real is our option correct. Okay, like this we have to find the nature of the given quadratic equation. Okay, if these options are not given and this solution is given, we have to take it as a option. Okay, if this is not given and like this we have given the options, we have to take out. If negative value, it is not real. If positive value, we have to take it as a real. Okay, now next problem, I have written some example important problems of MCQs of quadratic equation. Let us solve one by one. Now equation is here x plus 1. What is the question here? Minus x square is equal to 0 has how many roots? Real roots. It what is given? What home dash is given? Real roots, and options are 1 2 3 4 is given. So we have to find the how many real roots, means positive real roots. Okay, now solve this given equation. So the equation is in quadratic equation, not in quadratic equation. So we have to write in quadratic equation. We have to expand this. Okay, x square plus 1 a plus b whole square. So x square plus 1 plus 2ab means 2x minus x square equal to 0. So now here minus x square plus x square get cancelled. What is remaining? 2x plus 1 equal to 0 is remaining. Then 2x equal to this 1 comes to this side. It becomes what? Minus 1. Okay. Now x equal to minus 1 by 2. So it is only a real value of x. Okay. Now this is 1 by 2 is a negative value. It is less than 0. Okay, we got only one value, that is minus 1 by 2. So one real value of x is considered for this given quadratic equation. Okay, that is option is A. Take option 1. Only one root we have. Okay, how many real roots? Means only one root. Third one is which constant should be added and subtracted to solve the quadratic equation 4x square minus root 3x plus y 5 equal to 0. And options are given 9 by 16, 3 by 16, 3 by 4 and d equal to root 3 by 4. Okay, now what we have to do, children? In this formula, in this given quadratic equation, that is 4x square minus root 3x plus 5, what we have to add and subtract to solve the quadratic equation. So I am taking here, this can be written as 2x whole square minus this can be written as 2 into 2x in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, this is a, and 2 into a, and what should be b? Okay, what should be here? B. Root 3 by 4 I am taking, because whenever we cancel these 4 we get root 3x. Okay, now minus 5 is there. Okay, minus 5, sorry, plus minus 5 is there. Minus 5 is equal to what should be added here? Root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 4 whole square as a b square, and subtracting this root 3 by 4, adding and subtracting this root 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, let us see it works or not. 2x square is the a square minus 2ab plus b square, and minus 5 as it is I have written, and this is added and subtracted. So let us form this as a formula: 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x root 3 by 4 minus 5, sorry, this taken to this side, plus, and root 3 by 4 whole square as a b square, and minus 5 minus root 3 by 4 means 3, 3 by this 4 square means 16 it becomes. Okay, now this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. So write it as a 2x minus root 3 by 4 whole square. Then it comes to this side 5, comes to this side, it becomes plus 5, and this is also plus 3 by 16. This becomes 16 5s and plus 3, 80 plus 3, 83 by 16. So what should be added here, children? 3 by, this is the 3 by 16 is added and subtracted. The value 3 by 16 is added and subtracted from the given equation to solve the given quadratic equation. So in options 3 by 16 is there, yes, B is the right option. Like this we have to solve this type of questions. Okay, now next fourth problem is, if 1 by 2 is a root of, it is very important, asked in every exam of 10th class quadratic equations chapter. If 1 by 2 is the root of the equation x square plus kx minus 5 by 4 equals 0, then the value of k is, what is, we have to find the value of k. So options are given. Then given equation is minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Then one root is given in the question. 1 by 2 is a root of a equation. Let us take x equal to 1 by 2. Then put this 1 by 2 in the given equation. That is 1 by 2 whole square plus k into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. So this becomes 1 by 4 whole square plus k by 2, okay, 1 by 4, sorry, minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. And taking LCM, what you will get? 1 plus 2k minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, this becomes 0. 4 cross multiplication, 1 plus 2k minus 5 equal to 0 we will get. 2k equal to how much? 2k, and 5 and 1 are constant. Minus 5 plus 1 means minus 4 equal to 0. This becomes 2k equal to 4. K equal to 2 ones are to 2s are. 2 is the value of k. So answer is A. Option is A, 2 value. Okay. Now fifth question, that is a natural number when increased by 12 equals to 160 times its reciprocal. Find the number. Now, a natural number when increased by 12 equals to 160 times. Means what, children? This question we have to understand. Whenever this type of questions is given, we have to solve how we have to choose the correct option. Okay, let us see. First, what is the given question? A natural number means, let us take x is a natural number. Okay, given question we have to understand first properly. Okay, when increased by 12 means x is increased by 12 means x plus 12. Now next step, what? Equals to 160 times its reciprocal means equals to 160 times means by x. Okay, 160 times its reciprocal means x is, it means x we have to take x, 160 by x. Okay, now find the number means we have to find the value of x. Like this we have to understand the step by step question. Okay, otherwise we will confuse in the exam. Okay, now what to do here? We have to take the cross multiple here. X into x plus 12 equal to 160. X square plus 12x equal to 160. Now we have to convert this in quadratic equation form. Now x square here, x term here constant. Write in quadratic form, that is 12x minus 160 comes to this side, becomes minus. Now 0. Okay, now what? X square plus 12x minus 160. This is in the form of quadratic equation. Now what we have to do? Factorize here. To find the factors, what we have to write? Here we have to find the factors. Now x square and 160 here, 12x is the middle. So which table we have to get the 160, and whenever we add or subtract we get 12. Means 20 8s are, see here, 800, 82s are 16. 160 we will getting. When 20 minus 8, what you will get? 10 minus 8, 2, and 1 here, 12 we will get. Okay, this is the right option to write here factors. X square plus 20x minus 8x minus 160 is equal to 0. So now see here, 20 8s are 160 and 20 minus 8 plus 12. So I am taken positive 20 and negative as 8. Now take x as common here. X plus 20. X square, x into 20, 20x. Minus 8 here, and taking 8 common, x plus into minus, minus into plus, minus here. Okay, now 20 here. We have to get same terms in the factorization. Okay, take x plus 20 as common. Now remaining is x minus 8 here is equal to 0. Now I am explaining you very slowly so that you can easily understand the problem whenever factorization comes in quadratic equation. Okay, x plus 20 is x equal to how much? X equal minus 20 and x equal to 8. Two values are obtaining here. So we got two values. What is the positive value here? 8 is the positive value. So in options only one value is given. X value is only positive value we have to take. That is 8 is the x value. So option is what? B is the correct option. Negative values are not taken in options. So take the right positive value and given in the options we have to choose the correct answer. Okay. Now the question is sixth question, that is the product of two integral multiples of 5 is 300 is given. Okay, now what then the numbers are, what we have to find the numbers, two integral numbers we have to find. From these options we have to choose only one by doing the solution very easily and quickly. Whenever like these questions are given, what we have to do, let us take the consecutive integral multiples of which number is given children, product of two integral multiples of 5, means we have to take consecutive integral multiples of 5 we have to take, that are what, 5n and 5 into n plus 1. These are the consecutive multiples of number 5. Whenever this type of question is given, if 5 or 3 is given, 3n, 3 into n plus 1 we have to take. Okay. Now we have two multiples. Okay. The question is what? The product of two integral multiples of 5 is 300. So write down that in the form of 5 into product of two multiples is 300 is given. So we have the equation form. Now multiply this. 5n into 5 into n, 5n. I am taking out this bracket, plus 5 is equal to 300. Now this becomes what? 5n into again multiply 25n square. 5n into plus 5, 25n is equal to 300. Now this is in the form of quadratic equation. So now write down, that is 25n square plus 25n minus 300 is equal to 0. Now what we have to do? Factorize again. Again we have to factorize. Okay, 25n we have to take common, otherwise we have to take 20 n square plus n is equal to 300 and 25 ones are 25 12s are 300. N square plus 2, make it simplify. I am taking this 25 outside. Now minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now we have to factorize. What 12 is there? Which number comes when multiply 12 and get only 1 in the middle? Okay, n square. 3 4s are 12 and 4 into 3 12. 4 minus 3 1. Okay. Now this can be written as the factorization form. Then n into n plus 4 minus 3 common I am taking. Inside we get n plus 4. Same terms we have to take. N plus 4 and remaining n minus 3 is equal to 0. Now what values are there? Minus 4 comma 3. Okay. When now we have n values. Okay, what values are given? The numbers are, means these multiple numbers are we have to find. n value we obtained here. So substitute this in phi n and phi n plus 1. That is phi into n means I am taking this positive value. 3 I am taking. So substitute 3 in n place. Phi n means 15 and phi into n plus 1 means 3 plus 1. That is phi into 3 plus 1 means 4. That is 20. Okay, 15 comma 20 is the correct answer. Okay, the numbers are two numbers are what? Phi n and phi into n plus 1. When substituted n value, we obtain the values 15 and 20. So in options 15 and 20, see here, this is wrong. This is correct option. 30 and 35 is there. 15 and 20 is the right option. Okay, here 15 is there. Okay, like this we have to solve. Not n values we have to find, only we have to find phi n and phi n plus 1. If we find n value, we easily understand to find these values. Okay, now next seventh problem is very important question. It is always asked in many exams. The value of under root 6 and under root 6 plus under root 6 so on. Then what is the value? Okay, now take it as 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 so on is taken as y. So let us take it as y. Now I am taking as under root 6 plus y. This term is taken as y and this is equal to y. Squaring on both sides. It is very easy. By seeing the question, it looks like very hard and tricky question, but is very easy question. Squaring on both sides, what you will get? First we have to take whole this term as y, and all again we have to take these two roots as y. Okay, this type of question is given in your exam. Let us take as a term, total term as a y, and reduce these roots in simply one term 6 and total term this side of this term is y. Okay, squaring on both sides, that is root whole square is equal to y square. Then root and square get cancelled. What you will get? 6 plus y is equal to y square. Now this can be written in as quadratic equation. Okay, y square is equal to 6 plus y. This becomes y square minus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is in quadratic equation. Now what we have to solve it in? We have to find the factors. Okay, after finding factors we get the positive value. We have to take the option. So y square minus 6 means we have to subtract and or add. We get 1y. So 3 2s are 6. 3y plus 2y minus 6 equals 0. Taking y common, y minus 3 plus 2 common, y minus 3. So y value is y equal to 3 here and minus 2 here. So I am taking y is equal to positive value 3. The y is equal to minus 2 is no, I am not taking, it is a negative value. So take it positive value. So in options minus 2 is not there. Minus 3 is there but minus 2 is not there. So let us take y is equal to 3 is the right answer. That is C option is right. Okay, first we have to take the whole term as a y, and next let us take second term and third term as a y. Okay, now it becomes a smaller term. Squaring on both sides, we get 6 plus y equal to y square. We have to convert the given problem in quadratic equation form. Next, factorize this, we get the values of y. Then see in options if negative value is given or positive value is given. Here positive value is given is the correct answer. So take out the correct option. Okay, like this we have to solve. So I will explain next problems of next topic, next chapter in next video. So This is the very important video for 10th class students. So watch my channel for important interesting videos in next chapter, children. Okay, some of these examples of quadratic equation. I will upload some another examples, important examples. So watch my channel continuously for important videos. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.